Welcome. In front of me is a POCO X3, and today I'll show you how to put the device into Fastboot mode. And to get started, hold the power key and select power off. And when the device shuts off, you want to hold power key and volume down, both of them at the same time. And there we go, we're now in Fastboot mode. So that is how you would boot it into it, and to leave it, simply hold power key and there we go. Once it disappears, you can let go and it boots back up on its own. And there we go. So we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.